Hi everyone, it's Gillian. Welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet the Y stitch. This is the front of the work and this is the back. As you can see, it's very reversible. This is a 2-row repeat pattern and it's very easy to make. You have lots of options with this stitch. I did a row of single crochet, but you can do like half double crochet, or you can just omit that all together and just make only Y stitches. Let's get started. To crochet the Y stitch, you're going to chain in multiples of 3 plus 2. For this tutorial, I'll chain 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And one more for turning. For row 1, you would make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. You're going to make a single crochet into the next stitch, and you're going to make a single crochet into every stitch along the way. So go ahead and finish your row of single crochet to the end, and I'll meet you there for row 2. And this is the end of row 1. For row 2, we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This chain 4 counts as a treble crochet, so we're going to ignore that stitch because it's part of the chain 4. We're going to skip the first stitch. This is the first stitch, and into the second stitch we're going to make our Y stitch. And to make the Y stitch, you're going to wrap the hook twice, and you're going to make a treble crochet stitch. So go into the second stitch, make a treble crochet. You're going to pull off 2 loops off the hook at a time. That's 2 and 3. You're going to chain 1, and you're going to make a double crochet by going on these 2 vertical bars. 1, 2. So you're going to wrap the hook just like a regular double crochet, and you're going to go under those 2 bars like that. And you're going to finish your double crochet stitch. You're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and you're going to make a Y stitch in the third. So you're going to wrap your hook twice and insert your hook into the stitch, pulling off 2 loops at a time. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, and you're going to make a double crochet by going under those 2 vertical loops of the treble crochet. So you're going to wrap your hook, and you're going to go under those 2 loops, and you're going to finish your double crochet stitch. So far you've made 2 Y stitches. Let's do that one more time. You're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the third stitch you're going to make a treble crochet, which is part of the Y stitch. So you're going to wrap your hook twice and insert your hook into the stitch, pulling off 2 loops at a time. Chain 1, don't forget to chain 1, and make a double crochet by going under those 2 vertical loops like that, and finish your double crochet stitch. Now you have 3 Y stitches. Continue that sequence to the end of the row, and I'll meet you then, skipping 2 stitches in between. At the end of the row you'll have 2 stitches left. You're going to skip 1 and make a treble crochet into the last stitch. Skip 1 stitch and make a treble crochet into the last, pulling off 2 loops off the hook at a time. And that is the end of row 2. For row 3, we're going to chain 1. We're going to turn our work, and we're going to single crochet into every stitch and the chain 1 space. Starting with the first stitch, we're going to make a single crochet into that first stitch and into every stitch and the chain 1 space. We're not crocheting between the Y's, only the chain 1 space. So continue that sequence, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. At the end of the row, you're going to make a single crochet into the top of the chain 4. And that is the end of row 3. For row 4, you're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and row 4 is just a repeat of row 2. So we're going to start by skipping the first stitch, and into the second stitch we're going to make our Y stitch by wrapping the hook twice and inserting the hook into the stitch, pulling off 2 loops at a time. 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 1 and we're going to make a double crochet by going under those 2 vertical loops, wrapping the hook and going under those 2 vertical loops and making our double crochet stitch. We're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the third stitch we're going to make another Y stitch, wrapping the hook twice, inserting the hook into the stitch, pulling off 2 loops at a time. Chain 1 and making a double crochet by going under those 2 vertical loops and finish your double crochet stitch. Okay, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and making that Y stitch into the third stitch. Chain 1 and making your double crochet by going under those 2 vertical loops. Continue that and I will meet you at the end of the row. At the end of the row you'll have those 2 stitches left. You're going to skip 1 stitch and you're going to make a treble crochet into the last stitch. You're going to chain 1 and turn your work. Row 5 is a repeat of row 3. So we're going to make a row of single crochet by single crochet into all the stitches and the chain 1 space. Continue that sequence and I'll meet you at the end of the row. At the end of the row, you're going to put your final single crochet into the chain 4. And that is how you create the Y stitch pattern. It's actually a 2-row repeat pattern. You're going to repeat rows 2 and 3 for as many rows as you need. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Please like and subscribe for more video tutorials.